In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert an OGG file to MP3 using VLC Media Player. This is a simple, free, and reliable method that works on Windows 10 and most other versions of Windows. VLC isn't just for playing videos and music, it also has a powerful built-in converter that many people don't even know about. If you're dealing with OGG audio files and need them in MP3 format for better compatibility with your phone, car stereo, editing software, or sharing online, this tutorial is for you. Before we jump in, make sure you hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. If you don't already have VLC installed, you can download it for free from the official Videoland website and install it using the default options. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Media. From the Media dropdown, select Convert or Save. This will open the Open Media window where you can choose the file you want to convert. In this window, make sure you're on the File tab, then click the Add button on the right side. Browse through your folders and select the OGG file you want to convert, then click Open. You should now see your file listed in the Open Media window. At the bottom, click Convert or Save to move to the conversion settings. Now you're in the Convert window, where the magic happens. First, look for the Profile drop-down menu. Click it and select Audio MP3. This tells VLC that you want to convert your OGG file into an MP3 file. For better control over quality, I recommend clicking the small wrench or gear icon next to the Profile drop-down. This opens the Profile settings. Go to the Audio Codec tab and make sure MP3 is selected. Here, you can adjust the bitrate if you want higher or lower audio quality. A bitrate of 192 or 320 kbps is great for high-quality audio. Once you're done, click Save to confirm the settings. Next, move down to the Destination section. Click Browse and choose where you want to save your new MP3 file. Type a file name and make sure it ends with .mp3. This part is very important. If you don't add the MP3 extension, the file may not play correctly. After selecting the destination, click Save. Everything is now ready. To start the conversion, click the Start button. You'll see a blue progress bar moving along the bottom of the VLC window. The conversion usually only takes a few seconds, depending on the file size. Once the progress bar finishes, your MP3 file is ready. Go to the destination folder you selected earlier, and you should see your converted MP3 file there, ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully converted an OGG file to MP3 using VLC Media Player. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.